Yeah, let's get the garden ready.
Yes. But first, Pauline, I have an idea. What do you see, asked Bear. I see something with my inner eye.
Today we're in the Garden of Fire program. The Garden of Fire is an elemental program. Last year it was fire. This year's theme is wind. The wisdom that we need rain and sun in order for the water cycle and for food to grow, and pollination and wind, both of those are extremely important. The tie-in between gardening and animals that would eat out of a garden. He's ready to run. A different perspective about nature or animals, something they didn't think of before that was thought-provoking.